moneymakers, are you ready to turn your creativity into cash? Let's dive in. You just watched a video I made. Pretty cool, right? These kinds of videos are going viral on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, racking up millions of views in no time. I did a little research and found these videos. Just take a look at these viral videos. People are making this kind of content and earning money from it. Want to know how you can do the same? Don't worry, it's super easy and you only need 2 free AI tools to get started. I'll show you how to create videos like this step by step using ChatGPT and Dzine.ai. These tools are free and so simple to use that anyone can get started today. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing tips and tricks like this. First, go to chatgpt.com. Then paste this prompt. I'll put the prompt in the description. Now you can watch the ChatGPT gives you the prompt you need in a table. The next thing to do is to copy one prompt you like. Then go to Dzine.ai. When you first log in, you will see a yellow button that says Star for free. Click on it and then sign up with Google. Then you will be taken to an interface like this. Here, you can see many AI tools on this website. Okay, now you scroll down, and when you go down, you will find a model flux.1. Click on that. Now set the size to 9 by 16, and give the project name a name you like, and click Apply. Now paste the prompt you copied here and press Generate. Now you will see starting and then text to image will load. This is the output we got. Let's use some other prompts and create some images like this. Here are the outputs we got. Let's choose a good one and make it first. I'll choose this. Let's download this now. Go to the download option, set the file type to PNG and upscale to 2x and download. Here is the downloaded image. Look perfect. Now go to the home page and click Image to Video option. Upload the downloaded image. And type this in this box. Now click Generate. Now it's generating. While it's generating, let's take a look at some more images I created. I will tell you about another free bonus site where you can generate videos. Go to the search bar, type polo.ai, click on the first link. And click Try Polo AI. Click Start for free, continue with Google, and sign in through Google. Here you get 20 free coins per email. You can create as many emails as you want and create as many videos as you want. Here you can see the text to video option like this. You can also see the image to video option. Our video has been created. Let's see what the output looks like. There is a slight lag when playing the video for the first time. It is now fixed. Let's download this now. Now all you have to do is create a few more videos like this and use a simple video editor like CapCut to make a video like this. And then upload it to TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and earn money. If you want to know how to easily make a video like this using CapCut, comment yes below and I will show you how to make it very easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on making money online.